Mama Philippines, Namaste India. These are the new vlogs. Please subscribe to our channel. Salamat.
Hello guys, good morning.
Hello, good morning guys.
Tomorrow we are going to Daman and my cousin Mihir, he invited us and we are accompanied with him. So let's see what is Daman, because for Bimbo it is first time to visit Daman. Yes,
My first time after whole year we didn't go anywhere, yeah, because of the pandemic. So
yes, and because my brother this cousin invite, so we are accompanied with him, and also we invite my auntie Rekha and my mom, because my brother is working anywhere. So we are going with them. So before that we want to share the history of Daman.
what is Daman?
What is Daman? Yes, the Daman is basically a beach area, sea area where you can go and see. I never been, but from my cousin and from Google I find out this is like a
Seaside area.
seaside area. The history is like it was colonized by Portuguese people, and since 1961, even though we get independent in 1947, but still Portuguese people was there, and we got totally independency by year of 1961. It means we are totally independent from 1961.
Very interesting thing. Yeah? Imagine
Yes.
India and then Portuguese and Britain.
And it is like a border of my state Gujarat, and it is border of Maharashtra.
What is Maharashtra?
Maharashtra is another state. We have different state. How you have
like because Mumbai, do you know about Mumbai? Mumbai is in
Maharashtra state,
Okay.
and I am living in Gujarat state.
Okay.
All state has different languages. So this is history about the Daman. It's just sea area, and it is near to these two borders.
Okay.
Let's talk about climate.
The climate,
I want
yeah.
to tell you the climate.
Alright.
Here we have three weather, yeah, like
Three season.
Three season. But there they have two season only,
Mm.
like dry season and monsoon. So dry season it start from October to June time. Yeah,
Oh, very long.
beginning of June. After that they have monsoon, and monsoon is like very like very
Rainy.
very rainy. So climate this time it go maximum 29 to 30 up, and down is
You mean February?
February.
Alright.
And down temperature is 16 Celsius, 16
degrees Celsius. So
Yes.
it's not that hot and it's not that cold.
Yes.
Compare here in Gujarat, yeah.
Yes.
I
So-
mean in our place.
Yes. So best time for I think so tourist is from October to May time, because this is dry season.
No,
and
not all.
yeah, and temperature is well maintained, not too hot and cold. So I can advise tourists to better visit October to May. And I want to tell as well languages. Language mostly it is like I can say it is border of Gujarat. Mostly people speak Gujarati, but it is also these Maharashtra people as well come here. They speak Hindi.
Okay, so Hindi and Gujarati.
Gujarati.
they speak
Some
there.
are Marathi as well, but Gujarati and Hindi, two language they speak very well.
Okay.
And for tourism guys, I want to say
Yes. What we will see there for tourism?
from Google I find out Fort of Moti Daman.
Oh wait. What is this Moti Daman?
Moti means big,
All right.
and there is Nani Daman as well. Nani means small.
You mean Daman is divided into two?
Two, Moti
Alright.
Daman and Nani Daman.
Okay.
So Fort of Moti Daman, Church of Bom Jesus, and Lighthouse. There is a Jampore Beach and Devta Beach.
Okay.
So
this
these are the-
I'm assuming this Church of Boom Jesus, this is like Christian church, yeah. I think Catholic church.
Catholic church, but I think so. It is old. I'm assuming it is like a old-fashioned church.
Because when Portuguese came, that was I think 15th century. So
Yes,
this is
so I
very,
think so.
very-
They build up this church, and I'm expecting this kind of church.
Alright.
And about travel, guys, from Nadia, we have to go to Vapi station. All over India, you have to get down at the Vapi station. For us, from Nadia to Vapi is 5 hours journey by train.
By train.
Yes.
So it's very long journey, 5 hours.
5 hours.
So
yes.
what time is our journey?
Our train is like
Departure, yeah.
departure is 6:30, and we
In the
will
morning.
be and we will be there 11:30. Yes.
So you mean from Nadjad to Vapi straight travel?
Straight. No, there is a station.
Yeah, I mean straight. You don't need to transfer.
No,
So,
straight
okay.
straight train. It is in the border of Gujarat. We are traveling from Nadia to
Vapi
station.
Okay.
So we are going with Mihir. He booked our ticket.
Mm.
So I'm very very excited. And one more thing I want to tell you that alcohol, about liquor, here it is allowed free to everyone. But from there you're not allowed to exit the alcohol.
You mean if I buy their alcohol or liquor, I have to drink there.
There only
They will not allow to
come out the alcohol from that place.
So it's very strict as well. Although you can buy, but you can take out from the
You
mouth.
can. So if you want, you just drink there,
Okay.
and you have to enjoy
So
there.
I think I will try beer because I'm with Mihir, and Mihir said to me he drinks only beer, so I will accompany him. This time I will drink beer after more than almost 2 years.
2 years,
So,
yes.
Yeah.
Last time you tried, but it is non-alcohol.
So I miss
So-
real beer. So we will try, guys, to drink beer there.
Beer.
And
Yes.
about this Vapi station, you said Vapi, and from Vapi, how we can go to Daman?
Vapi, I think so. You have to. I think Mihir was telling me you have to hire taxi. Something. It is like 10 to 12 kilometers away.
Alright.
So these people will straight away take you there. And we haven't booked the. He said to me, we don't book the hotel because there is too many hotel available. Straight away you can go and check in.
find
You can find. You can pay because it is tourism place. So too many hotels.
So
are-
once we get there to
We
Daman, we will find hotel.
we have to book the
Alright,
hotel.
okay.
So Mihir will do this for us,
Okay.
and I'm very very excited to see open beach in Nadia. We saw in Mumbai, last time.
But I don't know, because you've been you stay in Philippines, and you went to Batangas Beach.
Yes.
You expected that you have idea what beach in Batangas. This beach, I don't know, can we swim there, or what do you think?
I don't
You don't
have
know.
idea as well if we can swim,
Okay.
because I'm from
Hopefully
not sea area
we will
person. So hopefully if there is opportunity we'll swim.
So let's see. I want to compare this Batangas beach to Daman beach. Let's see, guys, what is the differences beach here to compare to Batangas, because Shama got idea about this Laia beach in San
Yes.
Juan.
Yes.
It's like white sand, it's famous as well in Batangas.
Yes.
So
whatever, we are going to enjoy.
Yeah.
Even though if I swim or don't swim, we will enjoy. We will spend beautiful time with our family. So guys, it's time for preparing our stuff. So
we are preparing our stuff
Preparing.
na, like snacks, fruit,
cold drink, because
yeah.
we have to travel very early in the morning.
And I think sometimes because it's tourist place, it's quite expensive stuff.
Yes.
There, so better we buy.
Better we carry from here, and I'm carrying Shana, small girl. So better we have
so
our
guys, here is our stuff that we will bring tomorrow.
tomorrow. So let's see.
Okay. So this is Shanaya's stuff for tomorrow.
Yeah, this is my stop
You
one.
got plenty of food.
Yeah.
Yes.
You get
This
plenty
one
of
too.
food.
Yes,
and
this
your
is Malaya.
and your clothes. This is just for one night, huh? Just
Yes,
for one night.
We are coming second day back.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So
one
just
night
for weekend.
only. Yes.
Tomorrow is Saturday and we're coming back here Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, our stuff is ready now. And we are ready as well, mentally well prepared, and I'm waiting for morning to travel. Are you ready, Rainbow?
Yes, of course. I'm
Excited?
excited to see the seaside area here in India.
Yeah.
When I was in Philippines, I know about Goa, but because Goa is very famous, yeah.
Yes, Goa is famous.
But this Daman, I don't know, so I'm very excited, guys. See you tomorrow in Daman.
Daman. So before that, guys, don't forget to subscribe Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs.
Yes, guys, please continue to support Bimbo Cornejo vlogs. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, share. And also, guys, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
Thank you very much. See you in Daman.
Okay, guys, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.